How to log into Digistore24. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Digistore24. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your web browser and simply search for Digistore. So after you search for Digistore24, you'll find its website. So after you find the website, open it up. You can directly head over to digistore24.com as well. After you do that, simply tap on the login option on the top right. If you don't have an account, tap on Get Started instead. After you make an account, come back to this page and tap on Login. Then all you have to do is type in your associated email right here. And after you type in your email, just type in your password. And after you type in your password, you can tap on the login option. Now, if you want to make your future login easier and smoother, tap on Stay Logged In so you don't have to keep on logging in again and again. And if you've forgotten your password, there is an option to reset that as well. And that's basically how you can log into Digistore24. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.